Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare VYOND with VIDEOSCRIBE. The first thing I'm going to share with you is what are the main differences. Then I'm going to look on the pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you the features like how we can create animation with VYOND and how we can create animations with VIDEOSCRIBE and also whiteboard animations, etc. So let's start. Now, what are the main differences? VIDEOSCRIBE is a software that you need to download for your computer, notebook, or Mac. On the other hand, VYOND is a web app application that you can use anywhere. So if you're gonna, use Office computer, you can open VYOND and just use it in a web application. The second thing is that VYOND not only offers the whiteboard animation that you can create, but you can, let me also come here. What you can do is to click plus here, choose a template, and not only whiteboard animation, you can create cartoon explainer videos. So you get a lot of stuff. On the other hand, with the VIDEOSCRIBE, you can create only whiteboard animation, but even to that, you can have only like drawing, the painting. You can't have the animations with characters, which you can actually have in the VYOND, because when I come here to the VYOND, and let's say that I'm going to add a character real quick, healthcare, and I'm going to add a healthcare person right here. What I can do is to come here, change the enter effect, change it to whiteboard real hand, and I can just click here, click action, and I can daily life, I can choose this thing here, the animation, I can change the expression and everything, preview, and let's see how it's going to look like. So this is how we can do it, how we can work with it right here. On the other hand, with the VIDEOSCRIBE, you can only paint and draw, that's it. So this is something you should definitely keep in mind. And if you want to do like the whiteboard, the character is going to move, you can do it in VYOND, you can't do it in VIDEOSCRIBE. Let's compare the pricing plans, and then I'm going to show you all the features, and definitely watch that, you will like it. Now when you come here to the VYOND, you have option to have monthly and annual plan. First, you're gonna see Essential. Essential is not really great, only because the VYOND logo will be imprinted in the bottom left of each video. Then you're gonna have Premium and Professional. I would go with the Premium. Professional is really great if you're gonna have a team and you want to add like multiple users to your project. You see here the video collaboration. And to go further to the Premium, that's like the best one. But VIDEOSCRIBE is really cheap. So if I want to create simple drawing video, like let's say, I don't know if you know the video school or after school, and they are making those Ellen Watts videos, etc. And it's really great to use VIDEOSCRIBE for it, only because as you can see, they are drawing it and they just like upload it and that's it. But if they want to create animations, like let's say this person would move, you have characters moving, in that regard, VYOND is much better. But VIDEOSCRIBE is cheaper. You can test both, which one you like, and you don't have to pay anything. And you see that monthly per 25 euro and yearly is 156 euro. That's like 200 bucks. But premium in VYOND is 649, so it's quite expensive. But again, with the VYOND, you're gonna achieve more because you're gonna have more features. Now, let's go to the features and the things here. The one thing VIDEOSCRIBE do better comparing to VYOND is how many hands you can actually get here. So you can use recently used, Matt, Hannah, Mike, his will, or you can create your own hand which is going to draw. On the other hand, you don't have something like that with the VYOND. But let's compare the scenes. First, you're gonna have more scenes in VYOND comparing to the VIDEOSCRIBE. So HR, healthcare, home, industrial layouts, leisure, marketing, and I can choose. So plenty of them. Then I can also use the business friendly, plenty of education, plenty of scenes that you can use here. When I come here to the VIDEOSCRIBE and I want to show you, I'm going to move my camera a little bit. You don't have many scenes. So these are the background options that you can use, but they are not that like not that great comparing to the VYOND. When we compare the characters, both got plenty of characters that you can use. You can use the colorful ones or just for the whiteboard animation. On VideoScribe 2, I click here the add image and I can simply choose images here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. And here too, you can choose, let's say, catering and choose characters. The one thing that I really like about VYOND is that you can create your own character. And this is why VYOND is really dominating most of the competition, because I just come here and I click plus here for create new character. And I can choose the face, hair, mouth, eye, eyebrow, nose. Then I can change the top here. Again, choose it as much as you want. And which one you actually want. Right? Pretty simple, pretty easy. Change the bottom, feet, and add accessories. And because of this, choosing VYOND is really great. Now, to go even further, what you can do, both got props here that you can add. Again, you can use the colorful ones for the cartoonish explainer videos or whiteboard animation. So that's pretty much it. And now let's try to create something and how you can actually edit things. Only because, like in VideoScribe, this is what I wanted to share with you. When I would come here to the settings, properties, you can actually only change the graphic filters like glow, brightness, saturation, contrast, blur, and you can change the image, but you can really edit it like you can edit it in VYOND. Of course, you can upload your own picture and you can do it that way. I agree, but in VYOND, it's more complex. Now, when I'm going to add a scene here, choose template, and I'm going to choose a whiteboard animation. Let's say I'm going to choose catering here, or let's say education, and, or I don't know, let's say finance. Okay. Okay, ATM lining up. And what I can do is to change the enter effects here, whiteboard, and let's say everything have it as a whiteboard. And now, as you can see, I can have enter effect text, whiteboard. I can simply click character, let's say office worker. I'm going to delete this one here. And what I can do, so first in VideoScribe, I can click image, and let's say office. It's finding images. So I have the person right here. I can use that one. Or it really depends which one you actually want. I can rotate it. And now let's see what I can achieve with VYOND. With VYOND, I can go to action. And I can choose, let's say, emotions. Angry. Okay. I'm going to mirror it to the right side. I can choose the expression, and I can change the expression to confuse, cry, neutral, or sad. And then I can add if I want him to face the camera, or left and right. So as you can see, you can do much more with VYOND comparing to VideoScribe. Now also what I can do, I can change the enter effect if I wanted to as a whiteboard, illustration, or just like it's going to take out. In VideoScribe, it's mainly for painting and drawing. So that's another thing. And now I'm going to preview it. And look at this. And as you could see, it's animating. In the moment when it was drawn, it's being animated. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. And how you can actually work with it, right? So this is pretty much it, how it works, how both work. Both got charts, both got text that you can add. And both you can also add the music here, the audio, or you can simply click here, add the text and add the fonts. You have options to add these graphic texts here in VYOND. So that's something you should definitely keep in mind. And yeah, so if you have any question, order, move backward, okay. Save. Nice, I can replace it, change the dialog, etc. So this is pretty much it, how you can do it and how you can use both. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. My recommendation is use VideoScribe only if you want to create simple whiteboard animation without really animating the characters, etc. But if you want to create cartoon explainer videos, if you want to create whiteboard really pretty animation videos and everything, you should definitely go with the VYOND. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.